Well, hello, friends. It's Running Kimono. I hope you're all having a wonderful Friday. And I have a Friday freebie for you with these Clorox. So this is an 11-ouncer found at the Dollar Tree in the regular scent, and they also have a lavender scent. So the one in the center is the lavender scent, and it's working on both. 33% more. I'm going to show you exactly where I found it in the store. This is completely for free with checkout 51. So I'm going to show you where I found it in the store and just give you the rundown on this. I would do this deal sooner than later because whenever there's free cleaning items, people tend to go really hard. And if they have, 10,000 units to give away to shoppers with the rebate, it might go pretty quickly. So over at the Dollar Tree, if you look at the very bottom shelf, that's where they're tucked away. And you might be like, well, I don't see them in the store. And you have to just really look for them. And they keep these kind of like away from everything else at my store. And just to show you a little close up here, boom, this is where they are. So they are like at the very bottom. That's where I found them. And I grabbed 5 because 5 was the limit. So I wanted to go for 5. So this is the checkout 51 rebate, and how you can get it up to 5 is, see where that 1X is? You would just keep pressing it with your finger to get, 5 rebates. You can claim up to 5. Any variety, any size. Mine was not size specific. So go into your checkout 51 account, and if you have this rebate, I would run to the store, and when you get to the parking lot of Dollar Tree, double, triple check that the rebate is still in the gallery, because this is such a hot deal. People are going to go really hard for this. So again, guys, I grabbed 5 of these, $5 on the nose, so I paid $5.30 with tax, Michigan tax, and then I made my submission right away to checkout 51. And then they gave me back the $5. I got my $5 back, I think, within 10-15 minutes. It was really quick. Sometimes they can take like a day or so, but for whatever reason, this was fast for me. And let's just say you can only find, like, say, 2 in your store. They don't really have a lot left. Just get 2 of them then. And other stores that this is included, the problem is, guys, I don't really know if other stores carry this small one for $1. It's a harder product to find at this size. I was even at Dollar General today looking around, and I could not find these Cloroxes for this size and this cost, but at the Dollar Tree, that's where I found it. So I would do this ASAP. I know a lot of you go out and about this weekend couponing, but if you could try and do this like, Saturday, or even if you can get out tonight. And I got my $5 back like right away. It says it will up to 48 hours, but I got mine in like 15. So it was like really quick. So anyhow, I would go for all 5 if you can. This is just a fantastic deal. And don't forget to double, triple check to make sure that the rebate is in your checkout 51 gallery, because you don't want to go to the store and buy it and for the rebate to be vanished or gone. Good luck with this one. And I would run if you can, I would run on it. Bye, guys.